Hi, I just wanted to explain how to take the center brace or center section of the adjustable Pinch Perfect apart. So if you want to store it and you want to take the arms off and then also relieve the tension on the bands on the bottom, what you'll want to do is go ahead and grab the handle of the sled that has one arm on it, move your center brace to the center, and then underneath this part right here, just go ahead and put your fingers and then use your thumb just to pop up the center brace and then take it out and release the handle. Easy as that. I'd like to give you an example of how to remove the arms. So if you want to just take it apart, we just talked about or did a video on removing the center brace. On the arms, all you want to do is just go ahead down low. Just go ahead and apply pressure side by side. Sometimes the arms will be pressing up against each other. And then just go ahead, pressure down low, pull the sled back a little bit, and then until they come out. Now for the adjustable Pinch Perfect, how to release the tumbler support box. I've already removed, just so you can see the pull handle a little bit better, I removed the arms, which go ahead in the dovetail slots there. But all you want to do is just put your finger down here, and all we're going to do is pull in this direction straight back. So put your finger all the way down and go ahead and pull, and it pops up. So all we're doing is just pulling just like this, and then that goes ahead and releases the center brace.